friends, how are you all? I hope that you all are very well, and I'm also okay now. Before that I was having cold, but today I am perfectly fine. uh, how many of you wants to eat that pizza and that delicious cake? That's a delicious video, I think. Yummy cake it is. It has all the cell parts, and in this pizza you can see all the cell parts. It's a animal cell, I think, because it don't have chloroplast. Yes, it's an animal cell, but this one is does it have chloroplast? No, it also don't have. So both are animal cell, but they look very delicious and I like them. I hope I will get that type of birthday cake on my birthday, because every biologist love this type of cake. So once again, welcome to my channel Biomania. Once again I am here with you some important questions as we have done in the earlier video. I hope that you have enjoyed that video also. So get ready for the quiz. Let's have a quick revision of cell biology by this quiz, or you can say by these MCQs. There is a first question. If living cells similar to those found on Earth, it means they are talking about that type of living cells which are present in Earth, were found on another planet, okay, where there was no oxygen. There is no oxygen, but the living cell is present just like present on Earth. So which cell organelle would most probably be absent? So it means they are talking about that type of cell organelles which is mostly, or you can say completely, dependent on oxygen. It cannot work without oxygen. So let's have a look the options. That is the cell membrane. No, it is not dependent on the oxygen. Ribosomes are the protein factory. We already know that is the protein factory. They dependent on oxygen or not? No, my dear friends, they are not dependent on oxygen. So these two options are wrong. Mitochondria, chromosomes. Chromosome is the genetic material. They contain the genetic information. So they don't have any kind of relation with the oxygen. So that is also the wrong answer. Mitochondria, definitely mitochondria require oxygen for its complete working. So that is the correct option here. Okay, so I think this question is clear to you. Let's move towards the next question. Cystolith is made up of. That is a completely point basic question. If you have the knowledge of cystolith, only then you can answer about that. You cannot mark it with guesses here. You cannot mark any guesses here. Calcium oxalate, calcium carbonate, calcium hydroxide, calcium oxide. So for this question I have to teach you about the cystolith. So let's have a look of cystolith. Yeah, here you can see the picture of cystolith. That is a kind of structure, pointed structure you can say, which is present inside the epidermal cell wall. So here you can see the cystolith description. Cystolith, that means cavity stones. Here you can see that cavity, and inside that cavity a stone type structure is present. So what is that? It is a botanical term for outgrowths of the epidermal cell wall. Epidermal cell wall, it means they are present on the outer surface, usually of calcium carbonate, formed in cellulose matrix in special cells called lithocytes. So in which kind of so it means in which type of cell cystolith is present? That is the lithocyst type cells, and generally in the leaf of plants. Mainly where they are present? In the leaves of plants. And what is the main material which is present inside the cystolith? That is the calcium carbonate. Let's look at the options again. So here is the calcium carbonate. So this is not the tricky one. You have to complete knowledge of the cystolith or any kind of topics. If they are coming in the exam, you have to know about them, only then you can answer. Okay, so move towards the next question. Intracellular compartments, it means compartments which are present inside the cell, are not found in cells. In which type of cells they are not present? In case of lower plants,